Welcome to Geological Exploration, where we uncover the hidden wonders of our planet. Today, we journey into one of the hottest and most geologically active regions on Earth, the Afar Depression in northeastern Ethiopia. Here, the Earth's crust is tearing apart, where the African, Arabian, and Somali tectonic plates slowly drift away from each other. This fiery landscape of volcanoes, salt plains, and hot springs creates the perfect environment for one of nature's most striking elements, sulfur. Sulfur forms from volcanic gases rich in hydrogen sulfide that rise through cracks in the crust. When these gases mix with oxygen and groundwater, bright yellow sulfur crystals precipitate around fumaroles and hot vents. It's a spectacular sight, glowing deposits that paint the ground in shades of yellow, orange, and white. The Danakil area in the Afar Depression is especially famous for its surreal, otherworldly landscapes where colorful mineral pools and sulfur mounds seem like scenes from another planet. Beyond its beauty, sulfur is industrially vital, used in fertilizers, medicine, and sulfuric acid production. But in geology, it tells us about active hydrothermal systems and the ongoing formation of new crust at Earth's surface. So when you see those brilliant yellow crystals, remember they are born from fire, gas, and time, deep in the heart of Earth's most active rift zone, the Afar Depression. Thanks for watching Geological Exploration, where Earth's energy and beauty come alive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures into our planet's natural wonders.